Okay, so today we're going to go over how to recharge a water can fire extinguisher. First off, we're going to start out loosening up the nut in the neck. It's already loose. We're going to pull that out. Lay that to the side. Now this is all of the ones that we have are 2.5 gallons of water. It's a 2.5 gallon water can. This is what marks where the water is supposed to stop. Now this thing is super hard to see where the water is actually supposed to stop, so don't use this, just put it back in when you're done. What we're going to be using from now on to refill this, at station 1 and 2, they both have these SCBA cleaning tubs. These are 10 quarts, so 2.5 gallons. We're going to be using these every time. And then both stations will have a funnel and some dish soap. So we're going to go ahead, after you take the neck out, insert the funnel. Alright, once that's done, then you know you have the perfect amount of water. Take the neck, throw that back in there. Oh, sorry, scratch that. All the water cans are going to be put a little bit of Dawn soap in every time. This basically will just act like a foam agent. Just take it after you put that back in, after you put the water in, just go ahead and drop a few. About that much will be fine. Tighten the nut back down. And just hand tightening is fine, but make sure it's pretty snug. Once you get it tight, give the handle a little twist. That'll give it extra tight. There. Now we're going to be watching the needle when I recharge this. When it says it's in the middle, that's when you're technically good. I always go a little bit past and try to ride almost the overcharge line. Okay, so once your gauge is in the green, you're good to go. I'm going to put spare pins. There'll be a few spare pins and a few spare seals. At station 2, they'll be by the phone in the drawer. And at station 1, they'll be in the shop all the way at the bottom of the drawer. Make sure you try to put a pin back in it. Pin it here, put a seal around it, rip it off. We're going to go ahead and discharge one all the way so you know what it's supposed to look like. You know, it's got a little bit of, it almost looks like foam a little bit. That's from that soap. That's always what you want it to do at the end, because now you don't have any pressure and any water in it. It's completely empty. So if you follow these instructions, you'll have this happen every time, and now it's completely empty and you can go ahead and recharge it like you did. That's a wrap.